Sometimes you need to insert a break in your connector, such as this one here. To show you how to create this kind of components, again, I'm going to select Insert Connector tool. And as you know, the Allow Spacers Breaks option is needed to be selected. I choose Insert Bottom. Then in the command line, I will be prompted to specify a point. To insert a break, I'm going to select break symbol, so you can see the first part have been inserted, and you will be asked to insert the second part of your connector. Finally, connector layout, which allows you to specify the spacing value, and the other options will be opened. Now I select OK button, and then the custom pin dialog box will be shown for me. In the top of this dialog box, you can see that the numbers of pins which have been inserted up to here. So for the rest of pins, it is up to you, and based on your need, you can add a space or insert the next pin or select break option for the next time. Now I want to insert another pin, then you can see the numbers here are increased, and I will continue until the numbers of pins will be finished. Now the numbers of pins have been specified before, and here you can see that your connector is divided to several parts.